Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. On Sunday, March 19th, we're going to have Meet the Author, Karen Kilroy. She will be in the front foyer of the library between 2 and 4. And she's the author of the book Blockchain Tethered AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence. Now that's Sunday, March 19th from 2 to 4. So be sure and come and talk to her. Then on Tuesday, March 14th, is our second Tuesday Lunch and Learn. And it's going to be Float the Whole Buffalo. So come join Flip, who is an outdoors reporter for the Northwest Arkansas Democrat-Gazette, as he talks about his trip down the Buffalo River. Then on Sunday, March 26th, between 1 and 4, we're going to have a plant exchange. So bring a plant and exchange it for another. In the teen department, our DIY Mondays, the 13th, they're going to make stickers. On the 20th, tissue paper lanterns. Then Thursday the 16th is game night. And the 23rd is a movie marathon. Now be sure and check the calendar for the times for those. And then on Saturday the 18th is tabletop, and that's from 2 to 4. Then in the children's department, I have some fun crafts to show you. The Homeschool Explorers, on the 15th, they're gonna make submarines. See? Cute. And then on the 22nd, spaceships. Then in Quilled Creations, last week you guys did the rainbows. And the 17th, or the 14th rather, you're going to make clover. So don't forget, March 17th is St. Patrick's Day. Be sure and wear green. And until next time, have an awesome couple of weeks. Bye.